You're watching another shooting video from the Bohemian Hunting Club. Alright, we're going to do, we got these critical Defense from Hornady with the sabot and the 2 balls behind it. We're at about 25-30 yards out. Just going to see worst conditions, worst, I guess, possible case. Got a smoothbore 18-inch barrel, the Rossi single shot bead sight. And going to just see if these are actually accurate enough to hunt with. And I'm just going to take a couple of shots on a piece of cardboard downrange and see if they're pretty much hitting in a solid spot. See if they, if it's usable or not for a hunting mode. Say if you want to sit in your bow stand and want to hunt with a shotgun. So here we go. Let's try. I'm not going to show me shooting it. I'm just going to have the camera on target. We got, it's grouping, that's for damn sure, so that's a plus. And I was aiming pretty much in the same general area, about 30 yards through a smoothbore, so that shotgun was also sitting out in the sun, so the barrel was nice and warm. Kind of curious if it would do the same thing if it was about 30 degrees out here on the first shot. But I guess we are going to carry on the test with these critical Defense now that we know it's past this part of the test to see if it is huntable. That is a big damn fly. I don't know if y'all seen that. That thing carries off cows. But anyways, we'll go on with the rest of the test and do some penetration test. Maybe try to catch the sabot, see how it expands, things like that, and go further on. Now that we know that's the first thing with your bullet. Before you start wondering about penetration and everything else, you gotta first know, will it group? That's it. If the bullet don't group, don't even bother wasting time on doing any other kind of expectations, experiments, or anything else like that. So now that we know we got a bullet that can group, or a shotgun shell, we're gonna take it on. Here is the wad. Interesting. Very interesting. So this will definitely be some future videos coming up from this. Thanks for watching.